Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by this one and this one. About negative s, I will put about negative 3s plus 2s. About 3s, I will put into s and 2s. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one we can do another factorization by number 2. This one we can do another factorization by s. This one that is about number 2. Next, we can do another factorization by s minus 3. This one we can do another factorization by s plus 1. And now we need to simplify s plus 2 on numerator and denominator. Now I will put negative number 2 going here and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. And we have positive number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.